Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how fix Roblox the memory dump was captured to your clipboard error. To start, right-click on Start and select Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the terminal. After that, execute the command chkdsk:/f, press Enter. When prompted, enter Y to confirm. After this, reboot the system. At this point, wait for the system to be analyzed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for each of the analysis phases to finish. When the system restarts, open Roblox without the error mentioned. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.